Hey guys, how's it going? In this video I'm going to take a look at the Bitcoin charts again. We've been ranging sideways a little bit since the last time I took a look, so let's see what's in store with Bitcoin in the future. Hey guys, thank you very much for joining me for another video. If you don't know already, my name is Fez and I'm one of 3 content creators at Bitcoin for Beginners. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing using the red button below and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of when we upload new content. This video follows on from a video we put out last week in which I took a look at the charts and tried to identify where Bitcoin was going. A lot has changed in the past 7 days. We have had days where we have gained and lost 10, 15, 20% in a single day and then reclaimed that previous price. It has been a wild and choppy ride. For those of you that aren't risk adverse, there has been plenty of opportunity to make a serious amount of money. And with all the uncertainty in the world at the moment, it is very, very difficult to fathom where Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market as a whole could be heading. So I'm here to give you my opinion on the charts and discuss where I think we could possibly go. Before we go any further, I want to give a shout out to ShapeShift for sponsoring this video. So if you'd like to find out how you can get your hands on some free Bitcoin from the ShapeShift team, then make sure you watch this video in its entirety. Okay, so enough waffling from me, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Okay, so you can see that massive price crash where we tested $3,800 US. Since then, we have been jumping above and below the 0.38 on the Fibonacci retracement, yet we've failed to really establish it as a support or resistance yet. This means there's probably going to be even more uncertainty in the very near future. We have, however, established a range between 6,000 and 4,800, and we have been bouncing around between those two for the past week. As I said in the intro, we've seen some days in which we've had losses of 10, 15, 20%, and then within a couple of hours we have gone up and reclaimed that sort of price area. I expect there to be a bit more of that in the future. I do think over the next 24-48 hours we may see a retest of around 6,000, but if I was into leverage trading, I would be looking at shorting anything that breaks above 6,000. I don't think there's enough strength in the market at present with everything that's going on, and the stock market's in free fall and currency's not doing so well. I just don't think there is enough in the macro markets to really provide Bitcoin with any strength. So if we do break above the 6,000 mark, I would expect it to fall back down to around 4,800 very soon after. I also have to admit that I do think that we could see the high 3,000s again probably within the next week. And to give you my reason as to why we could see that, or maybe even lower, we're going to switch over to the daily chart. This video was kindly sponsored by ShapeShift, the cryptocurrency trading platform. With ShapeShift, you can trade securely from your self-custody wallet. Remember, if it's not your keys, then it's not your coin. Trade with no fees by holding Fox, ShapeShift's cryptocurrency token. You can buy Bitcoin using your debit card or directly from the bank, and then send it straight to your cryptocurrency wallet. Connecting your wallet is quick and simple. And if you sign up now, ShapeShift are giving away 100 tokens to anyone that signs up. You can check the link out in the video description. Okay, so on the daily chart we can see those Fibonacci retracement levels yet again. So you can see that we are obviously still ranging at the 0.23 with that single test of the 0.38 range on the Fibonacci retracement. The most significant thing here, which really does make me relatively bearish on the market, is the formation of this bear pennant. I think that we will see the price compress, and then shortly after I would expect us to take a drop down to the 3,800 that we previously tested, but that's a very, very weak support, and I don't think that that would hold. I would expect to go down to the low 3,000s, maybe even the high 2,000s. I do, however, think we will probably hold it out there. and I will be staggering some buy orders between 4,400 and probably about 2.6. I would love to hear your thoughts on my technical analysis. Do you agree with anything that I've said whatsoever, or do you think that I'm being too bearish and that the bottom is in and we can expect to see a nice steady climb back to the 8,000 range where we were previously? Don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't, then you know what to do. You can reach out to the team in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the video description for more information about the ShapeShift giveaway. I've been Fez for Bitcoin for Beginners. Take care.